Hey Akshat, what's
Hey,
up?
hi Rishi, how are you? How is the world of finance treating you?
Well, the world of finance is as usual, unpredictable.
Oh, I understand. The world is getting very unpredictable these days. So, what advice would you give a beginner like me to deal with this uncertainty?
A beginner like you, well, you're the beginner who's advising all the pros on what to do with finance. So, there's one thing which everybody can do, which is to research. So, research, research, and research until you can find the right product that fits your needs.
I think that's a very valid advice. So, on this episode, let's see how to research financial products. So, COVID has fundamentally changed the way we look at things. Education has shifted online. Similarly, a bunch of other industries have shifted online. And in line with this, even buying insurance is shifting online. So, on today's episode of Finance Made Simple by Canara HSBC Life Insurance, we are going to speak with Mr. Rishi Mathur on how safe is it to buy insurance online and how easy is it and the modalities around it. So, if Mr. Mathur, you could quickly take us in terms of buying insurance, what are some of the key things in mind and how easy is it?
Yeah, so I think over the last few years, the whole process of buying and the whole process of reaching out to insurers has changed and it has moved online, just like many other things in whether it's buying groceries or buying education or whatever it is, right? So I think what's happened is that you have now the opportunity to go online and research all the products. You have the opportunity to compare. You also have a lot more information which is available online. Plus you can do it at your own convenience. So you can do it whenever you have time. You can do it over multiple sessions. You can do it from the comfort of wherever you are. And with today's smartphones, you can do it with a click of a button. So there are a lot of conveniences which are available online. Plus the very fact that a vast body of knowledge is available for you to research and take the right decisions. And I needn't tell you, of course, Akshat, that there is obviously the ease of making the payments online and the ease of being able to look at your policies, change your funds, have a check of what your policy is doing. If you have any requests to be given, all of these can be done through online mediums and through all digital assets. Everybody has an app, and everybody has now the ability to go on their website and make all the changes or find out more which they can do online. So I think it's a great convenience for all customers.
So from a customer viewpoint, if I think about it, then yes, I can find a lot of reviews, a lot of information, convenience is very high. But the problem is that I sometimes need people to speak with before I'm making that purchase of a complex financial instrument. So how do you see this space evolving with new technologies coming in? Do you see this problem getting fixed?
Yeah, so I think there are many solutions already to this problem. At any point of time, you always have the ability. With newer technology coming in, we are seeing, for example, chatbots. We are seeing, for example, assisted selling. We are seeing, possibilities where the customer can be handheld during the purchase journey. And newer forms of purchase journey are now coming in. You have purchase journeys on WhatsApp, on online, on the website, through apps. So all of these are possible. So if you do need that assistance, it's just a click of a button away. So it's actually a win-win for the customer. You have all the benefits of the online purchase, but at the same time, you have the ability to reach out and speak to an expert and who can tell you exactly how or address your queries on how to do the purchase or how to service your policy.
So in summary, if you would just like to quickly encapsulate some of the key things that people should remember before buying insurance online, what would those critical points be?
So I would like just summarize it in the form that saying that do research first, find out more about the information that is available, and make a fair comparison of what's going on. Use the online conveniences that are available. You have the opportunity to make payments in a seamless manner. You have the ability to now use all the features which are available to check your policy, to service your policy online. So take advantage of that.
All right, thank you so much. So I hope you enjoyed this episode and were able to pick more nuanced points about buying insurance online. And I hope you really enjoyed this conversation, and I will see you the next time.
Canara HSBC Life Insurance. Promises का partner.